Coach Nikki Bradley and the Northwest Bowling team is beginning preparation for the upcoming season. The team has strong leadership this year with returning members like Lennon Fenning.
Started bowling back in 8th grade because my brother was on the team originally, and he said that was pretty fun. He liked it, and I thought, hey, this is something I want to be a part of. The team itself, the people on there, because each one of them is just like very different, and they all work together really well, and it's really fun to be around.
Meeting all the new kids, teaching them all new skills and helping them with their bowling. We practice on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 4 to about 5:15, 5:30. On Fridays we do to about 5:30, and then we practice at Westside.
Meets are usually on Saturdays, usually going from the morning, and then kind of around noonish. Noon to 1-ish kind of is when they get over. My goals for the team are just kind of do good, get to state.
Hopefully keep making it through districts so we can go to state. That we've done. We've only missed one district that we haven't made it state yet, so we're doing good so far.
It's a lot more fun than what it would seem like. The people around you are you know, doesn't matter if you're bad or good, it's all still really fun to be around, and definitely consider joining. It's really good.
Coaches and players have worked hard over the years to make bowling a sanctioned NSAA sport. Based on a vote this past summer, they got that wish.
The reason that they make it a sanctioned sport is because sometimes if you have those high games, somebody bowls a 300 or something, you're going to get an award for that. They tried getting it through the high school all along about 2 or 3 times, and it never passed, and they finally got it through. They have been doing federation. John Lucido in Lincoln was doing it. He did it for probably 15 years, so it's finally a good thing to get it through the sport, and you can get scholarship money.
I know that a few of the coaches have Facebook live streams running every few tournaments that we go to, which is usually on Saturdays. Join bowling, it's really fun.
Just come out for bowling. We need all the bowlers we can get to get this thing started and going.
Best of luck to the bowling team on their upcoming season. Viking Nation is excited to watch you compete.